OpenAI is reshoring AI hardware manufacturing in the US to dominate the robotics future. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Saturday, January 17th, 2026. OpenAI is aggressively expanding US-based manufacturing for robotics, consumer AI devices, and data centers. Their 10-year plan includes sourcing silicon, motors, and components domestically, leveraging their acquisition of Johnny Ive's startup and a partnership with Foxconn. Walmart and Wing are racing to build the largest drone delivery network, expanding to over 270 locations coast to coast by 2027. Delivery frequency has tripled, with some customers ordering via drone 3 times a week. Columbia University's EMO robot stunned with realistic lip syncing. Using 26 motors under silicone skin and self-learning from YouTube videos, it perfectly matches speech and song, making robotic expressions eerily human-like. Conceivable Life Sciences' Aura robot automates IVF with AI, performing over 200 manual steps. It's already helped create 19 babies and boasts a 51% success rate, producing viable embryos in early trials. Humanoid's HMND-01 Alpha robot aced a Siemens logistics trial, moving 60 totes per hour with 90% accuracy. This industrial humanoid proves robots are ready for real factory floors. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which AI breakthrough excites you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.